numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Even numbers.
We're here to talk about multiplying by 3, 6, and 9. Once we've talked about multiplying by 3, 6, and 9, we will have completed our entire multiplication chart. So let's get on with it, shall we? When you multiply a multiple by 3, you are tripling that number. Tripling means multiplying by 3. They mean the same thing. When you look at this table, you can see that 4 times 3 is the same thing as tripling 4, which is a 4, a 4, and a 4. When you want to multiply 3 times 7, you triple 7, which is 7 plus 7 plus 7, 3 sevens. And if you wanted to multiply 10 times 3, you would triple 10, which is 10 plus 10 plus 10. These expressions next to the products all mean to triple each multiple. So anytime you see 7 times 3, 4 times 3, 2 times 3, you can just triple that number. Times 3 means tripling. Multiples of 3 can help you find the multiples of 6. 6 is twice the size of 3. So, if you only double one factor, your product doubles as well. Your multiples stay the same. You will always have a first multiple, second multiple, third multiple, fourth multiple, fifth multiple, sixth multiple, seventh multiple, eighth multiple, ninth multiple, and 10th multiple. However, you're doubling the size of the other factor. So, instead of multiples of 3, you have multiples of 6. So you can double the multiples of 3 to find the multiples of 6. And double just means multiply by 2. So, if your teacher asks you, oh, what is, 7 times 6? You can say, well, I don't know 7 times 6, but I do know 7 times 3. I know 7 times 3 is 21, so I can go, 21 plus 21, that's 42. So I can say, well, 7 times 6 is 42. I doubled that multiple of 3. And sometimes your teacher may say something like, oh, what is 6 times 9? Well, I don't know 6 times 9 really, but I don't have it memorized, but I can go, oh, 6 times 9? Well, I don't know that. But I do know 3 times 9. And 3 times 9 is 27, so I think 27 plus 27, oh, it's 54. 54. I didn't know that. I didn't know 6 times 9, I knew 9 times 3, and I doubled it. And it's important to remember that each multiple of 6 just increases by 6 every multiple. Here's something that you very well may know, that 3 plus 6 equals 9. However, you may not know that the multiples of 3 plus the multiples of 6 equal that same multiple of 9. To show you, let's look at the third multiple of 3, the third multiple of 6, and the third multiple of 9. The third multiple of 3 is 9, the third multiple of 6 is 18. If you add those two multiples, you will find the third multiple of 9, which is 27. Let's find 9 times 9. The ninth multiple of 3 is 27, the ninth multiple of 6 is 54. If you add those two numbers up, you will find that they are equal to 81, which is the ninth multiple of 9. When multiplying by 9, an interesting pattern is made. Between the fifth and sixth multiple of 9, the numbers begin to start changing place values. Let me show you. So the halfway point between the first multiple and the ninth multiple of 9 is between the fifth and sixth multiple. 45 and 54 have a 5 and a 4 in them, but one has a 5 in the tens place and one has a 5 in the ones place. But they seem to switch as multiples of 9. Same thing with 36 and 63. 36 has a 3 in the tens place, but 63 has a 3 in the ones place, and 63 has a 6 in the tens place, and 36 has a 6 in the ones place. The same thing happens between 27 and 72. The 7 and 2 switch place values, and same thing with 18 and 81. The 8 and the 1 switch from the ones place to the tens place, and the first multiple of 9, which is a 0 in the tens place and a 9 in the ones place, switches with the 10th multiple of 9, which has a 9 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place. Another pattern you might see in the first 10 multiples of 9 is that starting with 9, the first multiple of 9, you have a 0 in the tens place. It increases by 1 with every multiple. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. But if you look at the ones place, it goes backwards. It decreases by 1 with each multiple. So you start at 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very interesting indeed. We have talked about how to multiply every number on our multiplication chart in the past week or so. However, we have not talked about how to multiply by 7. We'll do that tomorrow.
2, 4,